in your life. Yeah. You'll be a honor. Said, yeah, I'm a canon, meaning baby, I'm a yeah. Ena wo akonwa bayire banya yi no ba pesia no anuane ye nkwan ne fro na de ahye fridge ukoya wada wudi fie da memene da wasie da ufri ho na aba sorry na de ahye fridge mo ama no ena wo no say wo another girl ka ho ono ba Tuesday to Wednesday na wo aduane na awaye no aba bidi we na da kro ukoya na wo draws red be said that Obisa made me red dress way free and we didn't throw, but when him say what the camera be bo hunti wo de ko yin. What tia sorry me preaching now we dwa. Men suma as a kofa boy. Yeah, men suma as a kofa boy ya odi ubisim we dwa. And I tia you know the me ye no. At the end cross said ye kone was some the Bible to nche nam de me krumun so jina no. Yeah, this is what offenses does. You would desert your faith for something else. Yeah, but that is not Christ-like. Yes, dono in tiaka. I read a talk away with a jamano. Vengeance is of God; He will repay. Ah, nyamezu tiaka. Ubeko panya mecho se matam for power chow. Vengeance is of the Lord, and He will repay. As I close, I will use the opportunity. Be careful that nothing takes you away. Last Sunday, I heard a very interesting story. Person talking about that the fact that he has come to this church for some time now. Once he picture here, they will also to Facebook. Then I realized that the motives for coming are not all right. I heard another one where somebody was saying, Papa, and then then I granted the person audience. He came out, he now for almost about 30 minutes, and we realized that there was no point. I'm a coy and I'm a femo, and I'm yes, you know, me buy him person, baby, whom number and all that kind of thing. I'm saying, the Christian, I say, pray for the person left. The next time, Papa didn't come, appointment, mommy came again, and all that kind of thing. And I realized that wasn't about it is abrewatun safre ona unya sembutin bi awoka and all that kind of thing.